The cause of sciatica is usually very different from someone over 50 compared to someone younger. So today, I'm going to show you the 3 best exercises to fix leg pain for people over 50 and the one thing that you should never do if you get this pain, right? Here's the first thing that you need to do to get quick relief from your leg pain. As we age, the discs in our back become drier and tend to form less disc bulges than younger people, but we get more wear and tear in our spinal joints. This wear and tear reduces the arch in our lower back and stiffens and irritates the joints, which can refer pain down our leg. So here's how to mobilize those joints, improve that natural low back curve again, and relieve your leg pain rapidly. Roll up a towel nice and loosely so that it can flatten down to about 2 or 3 inches high. Then simply lay face up on a firm surface over the towel so that it's positioned about 4 finger widths above your belt line. The tail roll should end up just below your ribs. The important thing here is the thickness of the roll. You should feel it pressing into your back, but it should be comfortable. If the towel is rolled up too firmly or too wide, it'll feel uncomfortable. It should never feel painful. If it does, stop. Relax over the tail for 1 minute once a day. An alternative way of gently mobilizing those joints and increasing the arch of your lower back is to spend 1 minute lying on your stomach, but propped up on your elbows. Do whichever technique feels the most comfortable for you. Exercise 2. People over 50 are also more likely to form painful adhesions between their nerves and spine, pulling on the nerve and causing pain down the leg. So here's how to release those nerve adhesions. Simply lie on your back, lift up the painful leg, and support it with your hands, and then straighten your leg until you feel a slight stretch in the back of your leg. Relax it back down and repeat. The key here is to only straighten your leg until you feel a bit of a stretch but no pain. As we straighten our leg, the nerve moves position, breaking up adhesions around it. But an irritated sciatic nerve is very sensitive, so do this gently. Straighten your leg about 5 or 6 times and do that once a day. And over the next week, build up to doing a dozen or so. Over time, you can even pull your toes toward your body at the end of each lift to break up more adhesions around the nerve. Now, the third common cause of sciatica over 50 is referred pain from your outer gluteal muscles. Muscles in this area are one of the first to weaken as we age, forming painful muscle knots that refer pain into the thigh. So here's how to get the quickest relief from that. Sitting in a chair, place the ankle of the painful leg on your other knee and slowly pull your knee towards your opposite shoulder. But as you do that, gently resist with your leg muscles. Then relax your leg back down and repeat. Keep this movement slow and keep the resistance light, only about 10% of your leg strength. This flushes blood into your outer gluteal muscles, relaxing them and relieving referred pain down the leg. Do that 10 times, once or twice a day. People can get 2 or 3 things that contribute to their sciatica. So if you can do each of these exercises, do them all. But there's one thing that you should never do if you get sciatic pain. Putting a heat pack on your lower back when you have sciatica can feel good at the time because the heat relaxes the tight muscles that are common with sciatic pain. But heat also increases inflammation around the nerves and the spinal joints and can make sciatic pain worse hours later or the next day. So don't put heat on your lower back. In fact, if you have low back pain with your sciatica, I recommend icing your back here for 10 minutes 1 to 3 times a day. It can really help to reduce inflammation and leg pain. Now, the gluteal muscle knots that I mentioned in exercise 3 is a really common cause of sciatica over 50. So if you get tight or sore in that area, there's 2 other things that can really help. So definitely check out this video. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to your goals. You're never alone on this fitness journey. We're right here with you. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and join our fitness family. We'll see you in the next workout.